All right, the ammeter, the voltmeter with this generator, my box, I can switch them on and off, is reading 24 volts AC, which I do have a rectifier on there. And DC, I don't know why it's not reading anything in DC for voltage. That's interesting. I'll have to check my rectifier and see if it's okay. But with the bigger pulley, you can hear the engine is running just fine. So it must have been a leverage problem. Just enough leverage on that smaller pulley to overload the engine briefly and get it to quit. But I'll have to double check my meters and everything, since I've got 23 volts AC here and 28 milliamps. That's 669 milliwatts, which is half a watt, without any issue from this engine. So gonna have to find a bigger load and also double check that my meters are all working properly. And check the box out. But since this is running happily with this load, I'm very excited. Yep, switch the whole shebang off. Like I said, I think this is supposed to be reading off of the rectifier, so I'm wondering why it's got no DC voltage reading on this meter. Oh, there we go. Now it's reading 10.5 DC volts. So my rectifier is not working real well, since it's got, 23 AC volts and only doing, my meter must be no good. These are real cheap meters, so I might have to get a better meter. There we go. Yeah, so DC is making 11 volts for that 28 milliamps. which is 300 milliamps, or milliwatts rather. So, and we just warmed up a little bit, so let's see if this will just restart real quick with a minor adjustment. Oh, nope, it's not restarting right away. We'll see what we can do about that.